All right, everybody, we've got a 2008 Spectra 5 SX. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing out the engine coil wires as well as spark plugs. My buddy Gabe here has got a P0303 error, which is a misfire on the third cylinder. So what we've got is we've got NGK spark plugs. We've got the laser iridium spark plug platinum, and we got some NGK cables. And Gabe here is going to be doing all the work himself. Gabe, how many cars have you ever worked on?
None.
Is this the first time you've ever done something on a car?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how it goes. Good. So what Gabe's going to do is he's just going to twist it and pull, and that gets that one off. And then we're going to replace the spark plug. We're going to clean up this engine a little bit, and then we'll be right back.
Sweet.
Let's take a look at that spark plug. Yep, look at that thing.
That's disgusting.
Okay.
Nice. I'm just gonna pop this off. Huh?
I'm glad you realized we didn't put the
would've
spark
been
plug
rough.
in. Yeah. We'd have been like, oh my gosh, this thing is running terrible.
What we do, man?
There's always that moment of truth, too, after we get done.
Yeah.
Well,
Where
you-
you're like, oh shit, what did I do?
Where you put the key in the ignition, and they're like, is the car going to start? Does it run normal? Is there anything wrong?
Sweet. Sick.
There we go. Got it all done.